Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Betterment's cash reserve effectively. Betterment is a popular investment platform that offers a cash reserve feature, allowing you to earn a competitive interest rate on your savings while maintaining easy access to your money. To get started, you need to understand what the cash reserve is and how it works. The cash reserve is a high-yield savings account that is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This account is designed to provide liquidity and earn interest on your cash, making it an excellent option for your emergency fund or short-term savings goals. To use the cash reserve effectively, start by setting clear financial goals, such as building an emergency fund or saving for a specific expense. Determine how much you need to save and set a target amount. Then, deposit funds into your cash reserve account, which can be done electronically or by transferring money from an external bank account. Next, consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your cash reserve to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. You can choose the frequency and amount of these transfers based on your income and expenses. It is essential to understand the benefits of the cash reserve, including its high-yield interest rate, low fees, and flexibility. The cash reserve has no minimum balance requirements, and you can withdraw your money at any time without penalty. This makes it an excellent option for those who need easy access to their cash. To maximize the benefits of the cash reserve, consider the following best practices. First, keep your emergency fund in the cash reserve to earn interest on your savings. Second, use the cash reserve for short-term savings goals, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. Finally, consider laddering your savings by allocating a portion of your cash reserve to a longer-term investment portfolio. In conclusion, using Betterment's cash reserve effectively requires setting clear financial goals, depositing funds, and setting up automatic transfers. By following these steps and best practices, you can earn a competitive interest rate on your savings, maintain easy access to your money, and achieve your short-term savings goals. Remember to keep your emergency fund in the cash reserve. Use it for short-term savings goals, and consider laddering your savings to maximize the benefits of this feature.